Hello guys, so this is a system that I had created for our church. It's called Jefolim member registration. So I've created this system using HTML, jQuery, CSS, right? So it has got functionality. So that was the dashboard. This is where we're able to register members. So whether you enter the photo, full name, ID, number, then here's where you're able to put the branch of the member. And so here is where you can register a member in that year. So whereby you find that members register every year, so you can put in the records of members who have registered, and you also be able to search them. So here you can also register pastors. So if you have got pastors in the church, you will register them as members, then register them as pastors. Then here is whereby this system has got a facility to be able to pay tokens. So you register account numbers, then you do token payment using those accounts. So here you save token payment header, and then you go to the token payment list and select the header that you want to put a list to. Then you add the members who you want to pay. So you search, so you can just input or search them there, and then you select an account of the member and then write the token, right? And then so you can add multiple records, and the sum total calculates there. So then you can just save it and generate it. So then it has got a functionality to be able to generate Form I documents, whereby the church is able to return returns to the government, right? So using the Form I document, right? So if there are any changes, we just save it, and then we can be able to generate it from the records here. So this is the records area. So I've got the members, branches, records, registered members, records. So also we have note that this system is in the demo mode, right? So see, these are the registered pastors records. You can generate a card for the registered pastors, even as well as the registered members. You can generate a card. So this is an example of a card that it will generate for a registered pastor. Then you can just print it, right? So right, and then those are registered pastors. We have got accounts records, and also of course you can be able to edit these records. We have got the token payment records, whereby the token headers contain lists. So you select a header to be able to see a token payment list. So right, so these are the lists pertaining to that header. So whenever we have not selected a header, then the list will not populate, right? So if you unselect that, then we are told to select a list to populate the records, or a header to populate a header. So this is a Form I records there, so you can export the document, right? So of course, so this is an example of an exported Form I document, so that's there. Alright, so right, and then this now is at the minutes. So this system has got an ability to be able to generate minutes, so you can create minutes, a minutes document using the system. So this is the end result of our created minutes. So these are the headers, a minute header. So when you select a minute header, you're able to see members pertaining to that header or the title of that minute. So these are members, member records, members present, absent, with apology. This is the agenda records. So these are just demo data, and so this is minutes, so actual minutes. Right, so they are numbered, and then these are the AOBs. We have got the AOB conclusion. Alright, right. So you can also export that minute. So this is how the minute will be. So you can either select it with the header or without the header. We export to the header. We download it. So I have already downloaded that. So this is how it will be. So this is just a demo document, and also you can be able to, the secretary and the chairperson can be able to sign there. Alright. So that's a code. And then so that's the those are the records for minutes. So we have got a place for reports. You can be able to generate reports and print them. So you can select a date, to, and from, and right. So you have got reports there. Alright. So this is an example of a report for the members. So let's see. This is how it will print. So this is how it will be able to print. Alright. So those are the member records reports. Alright, and then now we have got, you're also able to send email using the system. Right, so you can also attach an attachment. So you just put a receiver email, subject, the message of the email, and then you can be able to attach a document there. So right, so then you upload it, you select it and upload it. So you upload the document. Alright, that's done. Then you can just be able to send it. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet to be able to use this functionality. And so, right, so this is the email, the form. Alright. So the other functionality is the minutes functionality. So here is where you're able to save the header or the title of the meeting or of the minutes. And then once you send the header, you're able to select that header there. Alright, so it's just loading. So loading cookie. So you just select the header there, and then you're able to put data pertaining to that header. Right? You're able to input members there. You're able to select a header for each tab. Alright. So you input the agendas. So right, so agenda 1, add another agenda, right, another one. So these are just data, demo data. So yeah, so let's see how we input members. So just input a member name there and a member title if it's the chairperson or secretary. Right, so whether the member has got, if they don't have titles, so just leave it blank, it's optional. And then you can choose whether the member is absent, right, or absent with apology, right. Alright, so right, so member title, absent with apology. Alright, and then you can just save that. Alright, so yeah, that's that. So if we save that, we see that the member is inserted successfully, and we can be able to prove that by looking at the records, the minutes members records. So right, so there we can be able to see that record. Alright, so that record we just inputted just now. Alright. So now that's the minutes functionality. So if we input all the data, we are able to generate a minutes document like we had seen it. So these are where you input minutes to select the header, and then you put your minutes there. Of course, And this system also recognizes cookies, so you don't be worried whereby you're going to lose your data. So even though you refresh the page, the data is going to be saved by the form. So it's just going to reload that data again from the cookies functionality. Right, so that's a nice functionality. Alright, so select a header for the AOBs. So if you have got AOBs, so just put any other business there in the conclusion. Alright, so this is a system. I don't know whether it will be any of any use to you, so I don't know what you think about it. Thank you.